In this lecture, we will discuss what is debt financing. So here we will try to explain that what do we mean by debt financing. So let's say that you have to make an investment. You are investing into a project, or you are making an investment into expansion, or you are making any other investment. To make any investment, you need money. And now the question is that where do you get this money from? So there could be two key sources of this money which you are using to make an investment. One of the source is the owner's capital. So it could one of the sources that owner is investing his or her own money, or another source is that owner is borrowing loan or taking loan from someone else to invest money. Money which belongs to the owner's capital, or which is invested by the owner himself from his or her own money, is known as equity, and this kind of financing is known as equity financing. And the money which is borrowed or which is taken as a loan for investment, that is known as debt, and that this type of financing is known as debt financing. So if you are making any investment, you need financing for it. What is financing? Financing is the capital, money, or the cash required to make that investment. Then for the sources, there could be two key sources of that financing. One of the source could be equity, which is owner's capital, and the other source could be debt, which is loan or borrowed amount. So this part of the financing which belongs to debt is known as debt financing, and this part of the financing which belongs to owner's equity is known as equity financing. Thank you.